guys, we have here Mr. International Philippines San Juan City, Kelvin Dave Ramos. Hi Kelvin, please tell us something about yourself.
Hello guys, I'm Kelvin Dave Ramos. I am a graduate student of Bachelor of Science in Criminology and I am 22 years old. I am representing San Juan City for this year's Mr. International Philippines 2024.
Criminology. So why join Mr. International Philippines?
Why join Mr. International Philippines is to showcase my abilities and talents to the world po.
So ano talent mo?
Actually, I am a athlete. I do portrait and so far, yun po. Portrait po, artist po yung sketch. Yes po. I'm also advocate about calisthenics po as a healthy way of living. Yes po.
Yun yung mga nagpupulis.
Yes po.
Bakit hindi ka na magpulis?
Actually, I kinda gusto ko pang i-explore po yung sarili ko. Kasi po pag once na naging police ka na, ano na yun lifetime na po yung dadalhin. Kumbaga, explore ko muna yung self ko kung ano yung abilities ko bago ako mag-police. Second choice ko na lang po siya, kumbaga. I'm promoting calisthenics po as a healthy way of living po. For mental health, depressed, mga ganun po. Para po ma-boost yung confidence nila and calisthenics po is a body weight training po. Kumbaga, you use your body to train yourself po at home lang. Hindi na po kailangan na equipment. Yes po.
Kaya ganun nakapit na naman ng calisthenics.
Yes po. Yes po. Siguro po pag pinalat po ako sa Mr. International Philippines, like masya-showcase ko po siya sa buong Pilipinas po. Hindi lang sa buong Pilipinas pa, sa buong mundo. By creating more activities po sa labas yung barracks po para po mapaglaruan po nila. Yes po.
Please invite your friends, supporters, the passion.
Hello guys, I'm Kelvin Dave Ramos. Once again, to my friends, relatives, and my family, my supporters, please support me for my upcoming pageant, yung finals po. And see you guys there and hope you support me all guys. Thank you.
Where they can follow you in social media.
Please follow me on my social media account, which is my Facebook, Kelvin Ramos, and for my IG is kel.ramos.1.
Okay, thank you very much, Kelvin. Nice meeting you.
Hi, thank you po.